If you forgot the password to your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro and now you cannot unlock your phone, then what you can do is you can go to the recovery mode and you can hard reset your phone via that recovery mode. So of course this means that you will lose everything that you have on your phone because you will wipe all the data that you have on your device. But of course at the same time you will get access to your phone back again. So if you are sure that you want to perform hard reset, then in order to do that we can just restart our phone first. So I'm going to use power and volume up buttons. We need to press both of them at the same time so that we can open the power menu. And then over here we should be able to reboot our device. Once you reboot, you should be able to press and hold volume up button once that circle disappears that showed up for a second. And then just keep holding volume up button all the time until you go to the recovery mode. So even if you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen, you just want to keep holding volume up. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. In here we should be able to use volume up and down buttons to navigate in this menu, and of course we are looking for wipe data option. Confirm by pressing the power button. Then over here go for the wipe all data option and confirm with the power button again, and then you should be able to easily erase everything from your phone. And of course you will have the initial configuration again once you reboot your phone, and you can set up your phone again and you will have the access back. Now if you perform the hard reset by choosing the wipe all data, then of course you might be back into this main menu. So in that case just choose to reboot and then reboot the system. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.